So this is the dashboard for the boat that I'm working on. I gotta hook up a couple sensors: the fuel sensor, the water temperature sensor, the oil pressure sensor. I feel like there was something else, but I can't think of it right now. Anyway, so this is the fuel sending unit. It's brand new, never been doused in gas, which is why it's sitting on top of my laptop. And so I got my Raspberry Pi right here. I have my breadboard with an MCP3008 analog to digital converter hooked up via serial interface. And what I wrote was just I'm using the voltage divider circuit with the differential resistance of this fuel sending unit combined with this resistor that you can see right here. And I'm taking the voltage in between those two devices so that I am basically creating a linear voltage differential for the range of the fuel sending unit, and then translating that with Python into a percentage that I can then feed to a graph. So I'm just using a really simple Python API that's just literally just responding with the numbers. And then I just wrote a quick little gauge with JavaScript to update the page frequently, or the data for the gauge. And you can see it works pretty well. And it's pretty accurate, especially the ends, 0, 100. You can kind of go 50%. There does seem to be like a little bit of like notchiness in the sensor. Like the sensor doesn't like read perfectly. And I've tested that with the voltmeter. It's not actually, the resistance doesn't seem to be like perfectly smooth. So it is just kind of notchy. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Now I just got to do a couple more sensors and actually wire it up in a weatherproof enclosure and install it in the boat.